2024 Ford Ranger. With less than 16,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as automatic parking, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.